I'm only one vote.
It's true. You do have just one vote, but he has just one vote, and she has just one vote, and he has another just one vote. So what happens when you take one vote plus one vote plus one vote is you end up with more and more people, each with
just one vote.
And suddenly, those votes don't seem that small anymore. Utilizing this right to vote is critical in making sure that we have a voice in the government that affects our everyday lives. All you need to do is a little bit of research to find out what candidate represents the values that you care about the most, and then make your vote accordingly. Maybe that means voting for a candidate that is going to make wildlife safety a priority, or perhaps you want a person that's going to repair the roads. Whether it's finding someone who wants to build a new park or someone that wants to restructure the nuclear triad, voting is the strongest way to take part in our democracy. In order to prove that young people's individual votes matter, let's look back at every presidential election in modern U.S. history. In 1988, George H.W. Bush defeated his opponent, Michael Dukakis, by a margin of only 7.72%. Every year after that, the margins for presidential elections have been in the single-digit percentages for the popular vote. Young people make up 21% of the voting population in the United States. With these kinds of numbers, young voters have had, and still have, the ability to change the outcome of every presidential election. If we have the ability to change who the president is with just our one vote, imagine what else we can do.